having trouble with solving the factor theorem? Yes!
Our lesson for today is about remainder theorem and factor theorem.
Remainder theorem. Remainder theorem is a polynomial function is equal to p equals x divided by x minus k, where k is a real number and the division results in a remainder r. Then p is k equals r. Now proceed to factor theorem. If p is x is a polynomial function and k is a real number, x minus k is a factor of p is x, and if only if p is equal to p equals to. For example, if divided by x minus 2.
Using the synthetic division, that the divisor x minus 2 will be transposed into positive 2. And we bring down 1 and we'll multiply the 2, then add the 2's to turn into 4, then multiply the 4 into 2, and 8 will be subtracted to negative 6, then 2 will be multiplied by 2, and 4 then will be subtracted by negative 9. So the remainder will be negative 5. Another example of factor theorem. In the sequence, p is negative 3, that x cubed plus 2x squared minus 6x minus 9 will be negative 3 cubed plus 2 multiplied by negative 3 squared minus 6 multiplied by negative 3 minus 9. That will be p is negative 3 equals negative 27 plus 18 minus 9 and plus 18. So the remainder will be 0.
Lawrence, answer remainder theorem. Anna, answer factor theorem.
This is wrong.